What's up guys, in today's video I want to show you how to make a knotless braids. I'm using a medium size cap, and this is a closure 5 closure made out of canicolon hair by yours truly, me of course. This is what the closure looks like, and I have already sewn down the closure to my wig cap, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to start right away to start making the knotless braids. So guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidima. In case you are new here, you are highly welcome, and for you my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in back. Thank you for coming back. So in today's video I want to please show you how I make. This is the second time I'm making this video, my knotless braids. This is the hair I'm using. It's a 3-tone ombre color hair, 3-tone color ombre hair. This is what it comes, how it looks like. It's 100 grams hair. So I'm going to feather out draw out the feather tips a little bit before using it. So the color I use is color C17 in 24 inches. So after stretching out the tips a little bit, this is what it looks like. Now I will start, braiding the knotless braids. Yeah, as I say, I've already started making some, so I'm going to quickly show you how I make my knotless braid. First of all, I like to pre-section my hair like with on a cornrow or cornrows. So once I part out the parts of the hair I want to make, I go in with my tweezer to pluck out some hair. I don't want to make the root to look thick, so I'll go in with the tweezer to pluck out the hair on the closure to make it fine and thin. Then I braid 1, 2 or 3 rounds with the hair. Then I start adding the braiding hair like so. You can add to the how many rounds or how many braiding hair you want. For you to get your braiding hair, that's the braids, to be in the same size, you have to first bring out the size of hair you want to braid with. Then you divide them according to the number of times you want to add the hair to the braid. So guys, I will let you guys sit and watch this video, then I will come back again and see you guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. I want to quickly put it out there that this pattern, the way you are seeing me add my braiding hair, that's the pattern I enjoy most. I have tried different patterns of adding your braiding hair to the knotless braids. You can try any other pattern. There are different ways of adding your braiding hair to your knotless braid, but this is the way I love to add my own braiding hair. And again, after making this part, as you can see, the other parts I'll go off camera to braid it. Okay, I'm trying as much as possible to make this video short. So once I come back from braiding the other side, I will show you. Okay, this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, this is what it's looking like so far. You can see that the roots are not that thick and dark. That is the sense of blocking the hair to look thin and fine. Yes, after braiding that part off camera, yes, this is what it looks like. I want to quickly show you how to fill in to cover the seam between the, what they call it, that's the demarcation between the wig cap and closure. The part I pointed out is where I want to add the braids. That in between the braids, the last braid close to the seam of the closure, in between the braids, I crochet braiding hair, because I'm going to braid there. At the end of the day, it's going to cover the demarcation. You're not going to see where the closure starts or where the closure is sewn to the wig cap. It's going to make everything to appear seamless. Yeah. So this is how I'm adding and using a crochet pin. This is a crochet pin, in case you are wondering what I'm using. It's a crochet pin, but the handle broke off. That's why I'm using the pin like that. So after adding the hairs to as you can see that I'm adding it between, I make sure that the hair passes through the closure and the cap at the same time. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Yeah, this is what what they call it, the crocheted hairs look like. Then I'll go ahead and braid the hairs. After braiding the hairs, I will add more, and I will fill in the parts of the cap. Then I will go off camera as usual to trim the hair and dip it in hot water. Then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. So guys, if you have watched till this moment, I want to say a very big thank you. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your support. And again, please, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification, the bell icon close to the subscribe button, and put on the notification so that you get notified whenever I post amazing videos. I have more amazing videos coming your way, so you'll not be left out whenever I post such videos. Okay, and again, if you're interested in ordering any of my products, be it wigs, braided wigs, be it closures, frontals, full-length wig, please check the description box. There is a column in the description box that says to order a wig. That's where you get my contact. Then I will be ready and I'm available always to take in your order. So guys, make sure you share this video, comment, let me know what you guys think about this braided wig. Share this video, give it a thumbs up please. And again, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet to my channel. Yeah, thank you very much. So in total, I use 6 packs of the braiding hair. Yeah, I use total of 6 packs of the braiding hair, that's the ombre hair, for this particular wig style, or yeah, for this particular wig. Please stay tuned. I'll come back again and talk to you guys. So let me quickly show you what it looks like after braiding adding the hairs. Yeah, as you can see that the partition or the demarcation between the closure and the cap are nowhere to be found. They are seamless. You can see everything now blends in effortlessly. Can you see? That is the essence of that's what I show you. If you want to cover the seam or the demarcation between the closure and the wig cap. And I'm filling in the rest of the cap. Yeah. Okay guys, after making the hair, I have done the trimming and putting in hot water. I want to quickly show you how I add my elastic band. I want to please show you this part on camera, then go off camera as usual and do the other part. So this is how I add my elastic band. You cut out the length of the elastic band you want. I first like to measure it from my ear to ear to get the exact length I want. Then I turn the wig upside down just for the sake of this video, so you see how I sew down the elastic band. I use my needle and thread and start sewing it the way you are seeing this video. Then after sewing the elastic band to the wig, and make sure you secure the thread tightly. Yeah, I've done this part, then I'll go off camera to that. Yeah, so this is what the wig looks like so far. This is the end result. As you can see how the wig looks like. As this wig, the Swiss lace is not my skin tone color. So what you will do is just to use your powder or your foundation or lace tint spray to tint the lace, and everything will become sink into your scalp and look more realistic. So this is what the wig looks like on my mannequin head. As you can see, the closure is wider than the normal 4x4 closure. It looks like something like mini frontal. This is what the wig looks like, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I will leave you guys here. Hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.